Welcome! Today we're diving into the world of chess. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your basics, this guide is for you. Chess is played on an 8x8 grid. Each player starts with 16 pieces, and the goal is simple: checkmate the opponent's king. The king is the most important piece. It moves only one square in any direction. Protect him at all costs, because if he's trapped, the game is over. The queen is your powerhouse. She can move as many squares as she wants in any straight line, horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. Use her wisely. Next is the rook. Rooks move in straight horizontal or vertical lines. They are great for controlling open files and ranks. Bishops move diagonally. You have two, one for the light squares and one for the dark ones. They never leave their color. The knight moves in an L shape and is the only piece that can jump over others. It's tricky and very useful in closed positions. Pawns move forward one square, but can move two on their first turn. They capture diagonally, which makes them unique. Now that you know how the pieces move, let's look at 3 special moves that every beginner needs to know. First is castling. It's the only time you move 2 pieces at once. It helps protect your king and brings your rook into the action. Second is en passant. This special pawn capture happens when an opponent's pawn moves 2 squares and lands next to yours. Don't miss it. Third is promotion. If your pawn reaches the other side of the board, it can become any piece you want, usually a queen. Understanding the rules is just the start. To win, you need strategy. Here are my top tips for beginners. Tip number 1, control the center. Placing your pawns in the middle of the board gives you more space and mobility. Tip number 2, develop your pieces. Get your knights and bishops out early so they can influence the game. Tip number 3, king safety. Use castling early to tuck your king away and connect your rooks for a stronger defense. Tip number 4, don't bring your queen out too early. She can become a target for smaller pieces, wasting your time. Tip number 5, always look for blunders. Before you move, ask yourself, is my piece safe? And what is my opponent planning? As the game progresses, you enter the mid-game. This is where tactics like pins, forks, and skewers come into play. A fork is when one piece attacks 2 or more opponent pieces at the same time. Knights are famous for this. A pin happens when an attacked piece cannot move because it would expose a more valuable piece behind it. A skewer is like a reverse pin. You attack a valuable piece, and when it moves, you capture the piece behind it. If the game hasn't ended yet, you'll reach the endgame. This is where every move counts even more. In the endgame, bring your king into the center and try to promote your remaining pawns into queens. Be careful not to stalemate. Stalemate is a draw where a player has no legal moves but is not in check. Avoid these common mistakes to improve your rating quickly. These are traps beginners often fall into. Watch out for the scholar's mate. It's a 4-move checkmate that catches many new players off guard. Don't trade your pieces for less valuable ones. Knowing that a rook is worth more than a knight is key. Stop hanging your pieces. A hanging piece is one left undefended. Always double-check your defense. Chess is a journey. The more you play and review your games, the better you'll become. Don't be afraid to lose. Use sites like chess.com or LeChess to practice tactics and play against people at your skill level. Always analyze your games after they end. Seeing where you went wrong is the fastest way to learn. You now have the tools to start your chess journey. Remember, control the center, keep your king safe, and have fun. If you found these tips helpful and want to see more chess strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. We release new chess content every week. What's your favorite chess piece and why? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next game. See you on the board. Subscribe now and master the game of chess with us.